Alright, let's jump back into this look, y'all. I am fine, like a chocolatey tone in here, which we can start with that. Yeah, I'm gonna take that and mix it kind of with a little bit of a warmer brown. So I'm gonna go back and forth. I tap twice on the warm, tap twice on the dark, and I'm gonna kind of use that to just like set everything in place. And then of course it's gonna darken the shadow just a bit more, which is kind of what we want. I just want to build it up but set it at the same time with the eyeshadow that I know is gonna not move, right? So yeah. And I'm actually using the same brush to set it. Now before I diffuse it all the way up, I want to switch to another brush. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, I'm going to take a clean brush that's fluffier than the one I just used to set it. And I'm going to go in with kind of like a richer brown, something more red tone, just to kind of diffuse it out above the brow. Or right underneath the brow, sorry. To add some warmth. And I'm swiping this back and forth because I want it kind of diffused and not harsh. I don't want a harsh line. Just like that. A little bit more. Another thing that I do is I take a light color that matches closest to the concealer and the shadow primer I laid down, and I like to go over kind of like the brow area to kind of keep it highlighted like that, and set that under eye area. And then I go back in and kind of diffuse that out too. Now, everybody doesn't like this look, but I do. It's just something you can try. Alright, I'm going to put those brushes aside because you might need to come back to them after we finish this glitter. But this is the Profusion Cosmetics Kaleidoscope palette you can get from Walmart. I'm going to take two different glitter shades, but I'm going to start with this kind of, let's see, captivating shade right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this on the finger because I know that this formula works best on my finger. So I'm gonna take it. I kind of want to focus it on the outer lid and then tap it towards the center lightly. I'm gonna move it towards the inner corner. And I'm gonna build it up to however intense I want it. Now I'm gonna take a small detail brush. I'm gonna pick up some of that glitter. And I'm gonna go in my inner corner and carefully just line it up and make sure I don't take it out too far, like that. Alright, now I'm going to take this other shade called Stardust. I'm going to take out my pinky, which is my smallest finger. I'm going to place that in the center. It's kind of like a highlight. And I'm going to build it up. layer by layer. Like that. Just to create a highlight in the center. And sometimes I just swipe off the extra glitter on my wrist to give myself like a clean slate with my finger. And after this step, I like to apply my lashes. I will not be showing that on camera, but if you guys want me to show you how I apply them, let me know. Alright, here I have my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk White, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to tight line the bottom waterline of my eyes with this, just to make them appear a bit more brighter, a bit more open. It is okay if you mess up, because now you're going to take this Juvia's brown liner and I'm going to line my bottom lash line. So where my lashes start, that's where I'm going to place this brown liner. And it is okay if it overlaps, because you're going to clean it all up in a minute. Now, I didn't love the white, so I decided to go back over it with this like greenish brown color that was metallic, and I felt like it fit the color scheme a bit better. So I just went on top with that, and the white just helped it to look more bright. Alright, now I'm taking a small smudger brush for eyeshadow, and I'm dipping into that first brown color I used to set my eyelid, and I'm just going to use that to smoke out that brown eyeliner that I already placed down, and to set it at the same time, because I want a little bit of smokiness on my bottom lash line, and I want to set the eyeliner to make sure that it doesn't move when I apply my concealer. I don't know if it's just me, but this is when I like to go in with my first layer of bottom mascara, just to kind of make sure that I clean up any product that is light that I got on them. I go over it with a black dark mascara to emphasize on my bottom lashes. So I look down, I take my time looking in the mirror, making sure I coat from the root to the tip. And if you have to, change the angle of your hand just to make sure you get all the hairs. Sometimes I struggle with my opposite eye and I have to switch hands, but here I was able to get it and just flip my hand around right here. I know a lot of people like to rush through mascara, but this is where I kind of take my time, because I have sensitive eyes and because I want to make sure that the mascara like pulls the entire look together. Alright y'all, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, because we have 2 more parts to pull this entire look together.